Hi everyone, and welcome to the House That Jan Built, my new channel. I'm Jan, and this is my first video, and I'm so excited to share with you my love of interior design and home decor. In this video, I'm going to take seasonings that are normally housed in bottles and show you how to make them more aesthetically appealing. So let's get started. Okay guys, the first two items you're going to need is the actual jars themselves that I got at IKEA, and also this label printer that I got from Hobby Lobby. Now these come in a pack of 4. They were approximately $2.78 I got from IKEA, the Ragtan, and I love these because they're actually sitting on an angle, which allows them to be displayed in the actual drawer themselves very beautifully, and so it's basically laid out and very organized for you. And also the label maker, I actually got that from Hobby Lobby. It was approximately, I think, $24, but I think I got like a 40% off coupon, and I used that and it brought it down to approximately $17. Now the label printer is very user friendly. You're just typing in the actual name of the spice that you want to put on the actual jar itself, and you're going to hit the print button and it's going to actually print out for you. Very, very user friendly. And there's a little button on the side. You're going to actually push that and it actually cuts the label for you. The next thing you're going to do is actually take the actual label, once you've peeled it, and lay it on the opposite side that has the flat back on it, so that it's on the very top of the jar. And then you just fill your jar with the spices that whatever spice you want to have displayed in the jars. And here you can see the different spices that I use, from the garlic powder to the parsley, Italian seasoning, seasonal, poultry seasoning, just whatever your heart desires. You can put whatever spices that you would like in there as well. And next thing you're going to see is me actually laying the actual jars in the actual drawer. And however you lay them out is your preference, whatever fits in the jar for you. I just happen to think that, this looks perfectly fine for my drawers, but just adapt them to whatever you want to do. Make it your own. You could have them actually laying out in a different position. So right now, I hope that you guys enjoyed and liked this video. Please make sure you give it an actual thumbs up. I want you to comment and subscribe. And thank you guys so much again for watching, and see you on the next video.